determine the missing angles using only marked angles with reasons and in alphabetical order. Alright, I just want you guys to understand what they're looking for. Is this A here, this C, this B, this D, and this E. They are not looking for that Q. Do you see an angle there? Do you see the Q? The Q is just showing me where this line begins. This T is just showing me where this line and this line and this line all meet there. But the angles they're looking for are the lowercase letters. So that's the first thing that some of you guys got wrong. Alright, so let's find these angles A to E in alphabetical order. Okay, do you see the Z? There. Alright, that A is alternate to that 50. So A is 50, alternate angles. I want you to look how I wrote it. A equals 50, alternate angles, RS parallel to PT. A lot of you forgot that, even though we've stated it in our videos and I've done it in my memos over and over and over again. Don't forget that, or we're going to take off a mark. Alright, notice that once I found A, I write it on the picture because it could help me. Okay, now forget about C, that we've got to get B now. Do you see this F, guys? Do you see that F? There's the straight bit and then down, down. So B is the same as P, is 50. Corresponding angle. Okay, so that's how I write it. B is 50, corresponding angles, and then again the parallel sides. And notice how I've put 50 in there. Now the C. Now guys, you can't do it with a straight angle because I don't know what this angle here is. Some of you went and found it and then told me what C was using this straight angle. You're not allowed to use unmarked angles, it says so. But look in this triangle. Do you see this triangle? See this big triangle here? This is a 60 and that's a 50, which makes 110, eh? So that there must be 70 because of the angles inside the triangle, adding up to 180. Alright, so the reason, watch, C is equal to 70, and your reason, angle sum of triangle. That's all you got to write. Super efficient. Alright, now to get D, very quick. Do you see the C here? You see that? So D and B are co-interior, so they add up to 180. So if that's 50, this is 130. So there's the writing. D is 130, co-interior angles, and again the parallel lines. And lastly, if that's 130, well then E is 130 because those two are vertically opposite. And there's the writing. E is 130 vert op angles. 10 marks, one for each thing.